What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the currency converter in Google Finance. This is super easy to do, guys, and it's all about you comparing multiple currencies. Now, one of the best way I like to do is to actually create either a watch list or a portfolio that allows me to manage this all. So I'm going to show you very easily how I do it with watch list. So on the left hand side, click the burger menu and simply you can create a watch list. So I'm going to create a watch list and I'm going to call it currency, right? So let's say I call this one currency. Once I create this watch list, I'm going to ensure that I, start to add currencies within it. So I'm going to click on, for example, investments, and here under this search section, you have a currency tab. You can click on that and you can basically add the currency or follow the currency that you want to check. So let's say I want to compare three currencies, which is US dollars, euro, and for example, UK, the Great Britain pound. So I'm going to start with the US dollar as an example. So I'm going to say US Canada dollars. Let's say that's the one. And let's say I would like to compare this now with pound and also the euro. So in order to add more, you can simply click on the invest, and you can add more there in it as well. So you can just simply go ahead and click and, for example, add investment and type, for example, euro. And once you add euro, you can switch to the currency section and you can just simply click and this euro as well. And you will see that it adds there and you can compare the prices already. Now, let's say you're on one of these. So let's say I want to compare the US dollar with pound or the Great Britain pound. I can easily go ahead and compare that by scrolling down on the graph, and I will see a compare button on the lower left hand side. So I can click on that and I can just type in GB and switch to the currency section, and you'll find pound sterling, and I can click on that as well. And you can see how it compares both two right there. So this is a good way how you can compare both currencies, right? And on top of that, as I showed you as well, in that specific watch list, I can easily go ahead and add multiple currencies by clicking on investment and switch to the currency tab and type in, for example, GB, and it's going to find the Great Britain pound sterling. And I can add them and I can compare them. And this is a converter that you actually get that you can easily compare different currencies and be able to convert to see how much it would be for each. Now, on the upper right hand side, you have your currency, you have your watch list, let's say details here. You can copy your watch list, you can rename a watch list, or you can also go ahead and let's say click on portfolio. Now, right here, you can see that I switched to portfolio and I basically have them in portfolio mode. So once you have this into portfolio, you can easily now use currency to convert stuff. Now, so right here, you can see it's currently showing me a currency that is not one of the three that I've added, but this is because it is pulling from my account. Now, at any point in time, you want to change the currency or basically update the currency within Google Finance portfolio, you can click the three dots on the right hand side, go to update currency, and you can switch the currency to whatever you want. So you can just scroll through, find a different currency that you want, and once you find that different currency, you can just basically select that. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm just click on something. So let's say I want to choose maybe Canadian dollar. I can click on that, then click on save, and it's going to switch, and you'll see that the currency actually changed there for me. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.